Introducing the 2024 Kia Sorento DSL PE 7S in sleek black. This stunning MPV boasts a powerful 2.2-litre diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, packed with luxurious features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, ambient lighting, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and numerous airbags. With a chrome package, glass roof and sunroof, this vehicle is as stylish as it is safe. Backed by warranties and a full health and safety check, this Kia Sorento is ready to hit the road. Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo to schedule a test drive today.